I decided to take a video of this plant. I'm not sure what kind of plant it is. Somebody gave it to me. But I decided to take a video of it before it started to blossom and bloom. So you can see there's big bulbs on it. And they'll be opening up pretty soon. So I give it about a week or two, maybe even a month. I would check back on my YouTube channel and check out to see what this thing looks like, because the way it's looking, it's going to be a very beautiful and blossom plant. So y'all like, subscribe, and comment, and stay tuned for this thing to open up and check out what it looks like in about 2 to 3 weeks. Thank you.